Do you want to start a business, but you're worried about the huge upfront costs? What if I told you that you could launch a profitable online business with just a small budget? In fact, there are several types of online businesses in 2026 that don't require any physical inventory or expensive office space, and many can be started with less than $100. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time venture, these 5 simple online businesses are low cost, low risk, and easy to begin. In today's video, we'll break down 5 online business ideas that anyone can start with little to no money. So, if you're ready to make your entrepreneurial dreams come true, stick around because these business models are perfect for beginners and can be scaled up as you grow. 1. Dropshipping business. Start without inventory. Have you heard of dropshipping? It's one of the most popular and affordable online business models. The best part? You don't need to invest in inventory up front. Instead, you become a middleman, selling products directly from suppliers to customers. This eliminates the risks of holding inventory, and you only purchase products from suppliers when customers make a purchase. So how does it work? You choose a niche, something that has high demand, like eco-friendly gadgets, home tech accessories, or even health products. After that, you partner with reliable suppliers who handle production, storage, and shipping for you. Your job is to market the products, drive traffic to your online store, and handle customer service. Starting your dropshipping business is super easy. You can set up a simple online store with platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, which make it simple to launch without a hefty budget. Many platforms also have built-in tools to help you market your products, making it even easier to grow your brand. Most dropshipping stores can be started for as low as $100, which covers a basic setup and some marketing costs. What makes dropshipping so appealing is the minimal financial risk. You don't have to buy inventory up front, and you only pay for the products as you sell them. This makes it a great way to dip your toes into e-commerce without needing a large initial investment. 2. Digital product sales. Create and sell with high profit margins. Do you have a skill or knowledge that others would find valuable? Digital products are one of the most scalable online businesses. You can start with a low budget. Whether you're creating ebooks, Canva templates, digital planners, or even online courses, the cost of creating these products is extremely low. Once you create a digital product, the only thing you have to focus on is marketing and selling with 100% profit margins after the initial creation. Digital products are attractive because they are infinitely scalable. You can create something once and then sell it over and over again without any additional work or costs. If you're creative, you can design printable planners, stock photography, or even graphic design templates. And because digital products can be sold globally, your potential customer base is virtually limitless. Starting a digital product business has next to zero startup costs, especially if you're using free tools like Canva or Google Docs. All you need is a platform to sell your products, such as Etsy, Gumroad, or Udemy for online courses. These platforms charge small fees to list your product, and the rest is yours to keep. One of the best things about digital products is that you can automate sales, meaning you won't need to manage inventory or handle customer fulfillment. Once a sale is made, the product is instantly delivered to the customer, freeing up your time for other business ventures. 3. Affiliate marketing. Earn commission with no inventory. Wouldn't it be great to earn money by promoting products that you don't even have to create or handle? That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. With this business model, you can promote other companies' products and earn a commission every time someone purchases through your referral link. You can partner with large platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank to promote products that align with your audience. Affiliate marketing doesn't require any upfront costs to start, and you can get going with a simple blog or social media presence. All you need is an audience, whether that's a niche blog, a YouTube channel, or a popular Instagram profile. You create content around the products you're promoting and share your referral links within your posts. When someone clicks the link and buys the product, you earn a commission. The best part? Affiliate marketing can be done completely passive once you have established a solid foundation content and a steady stream of traffic. Content creation becomes the main investment of your time, whether you're writing reviews, creating YouTube videos, or sharing your affiliate links on social media. If done correctly, affiliate marketing can become an amazing source of passive income, making it an excellent choice for beginners with limited budgets. Starting an affiliate marketing business requires no inventory or customer service, which makes it one of the easiest ways to earn money online. And with platforms like Amazon, Shopify, and Bluehost offering lucrative affiliate programs, the earning potential is unlimited. For Print on Demand. Pod sell custom products without inventory. Do you love design and want to create your own brand of custom merchandise? Print on Demand Pod allows you to sell custom design products like t-shirts, mugs, posters, and more without worrying about inventory. With Pod, the production and shipping of items only happen after a customer places an order. This means you can sell your designs on products without handling the fulfillment process yourself. The beauty of Pod is that you can focus purely on designing and promoting products while a third-party service handles printing, packaging, and shipping directly to your customers. Popular platforms like Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring allow you to upload your designs, choose the products you want to sell, and set your prices. These services automatically take care of the production and fulfillment processes, so you can focus on marketing your store. Pod is a low-cost, low-risk business model that's easy to start. You don't need any upfront inventory, and you only pay for the product after you make a sale. The best part? There's no need to worry about logistics. You can create custom designs around popular trends or niche markets and let these platforms handle the rest. If you're good at design, this can quickly turn into a highly profitable business. To get started, simply create your designs using tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator and upload them to a Pod platform. From there, you can market your products through social media, your website, or even paid ads. This is one of the most creative and scalable online businesses. You can start with little investment. 5. Service-based freelance agency. Use your skills to earn money. Are you skilled at something like graphic design, social media management, bookkeeping, or writing? Starting a service-based freelance agency might be your perfect fit. Whether you specialize in a digital skill or offer consulting services, you can start small as a solo entrepreneur and scale as you grow. The best thing about service-based businesses is that you don't need any physical inventory, and you can start with just a laptop and an internet connection. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer provide platforms to connect with clients in need of your skills. You can offer services in niches like SEO, content writing, graphic design, or video editing. The possibilities are endless. Once you build your reputation and client base, you can scale your business by hiring other freelancers and forming a full-fledged agency. This model allows you to start small with minimal costs and expand at your own pace. Many service-based businesses are highly scalable, and as you gain experience, you can increase your rates and attract larger clients. As you get started, focus on a niche that you're passionate about or that has high demand in the market. For example, if you specialize in local SEO for small businesses, you can target a narrow market and become an expert in that area. The more specific you are, the more likely you are to attract clients looking for someone with specialized knowledge. There you have it. 5 simple online businesses you can start with minimal investment. Whether you're interested in dropshipping, selling digital products, affiliate marketing, print on demand, or offering your freelance services, each of these opportunities offers an easy entry point for beginners. And the best part? You can start right now with just a laptop and an internet connection. Starting an online business doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. It's all about finding the right model that aligns with your skills, interests, and available time. So why wait? Pick one of these ideas, get started today, and start working towards financial freedom in 2026. Like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more tips and business ideas. We'll see you in the next video.